Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 5 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Phone. Now let's tap on Reset Network and Bluetooth settings, confirm everything with your screen lock and tap on Reset. Be aware because this operation cannot be undone. So tap on Reset if you're ready, and we just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.